Hello, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install your DLC or your add-ons on your PlayStation 4 game. So just on the home screen here, let's go all the way over to the right, go to the library, and then let's go down to purchased. So this is everything on your account. And if you go to all right here, this is just what's on your PS4 hard drive. So if we go to purchase right here, we can go to the right, and we can go through our game list, and we can find the games with the DLC. So if we look right here, this little symbol right in the middle, this is going to be the DLC or add-ons listed for that game. So Batman, the Telltale series, there's 4 DLC. Battlefield 5 open beta, there's like 15. Battlefield 4, there's 15. So if I go to one of these games, I know for Battlefield 4, I think I might have bought some DLC. So I can just go to this now and select this. And there's going to be a section under the PlayStation Store for all the add-ons. So you can see at the top says my add-ons or your add-ons. We can select this now and go into here, and we should be able to see this DLC. So I have the legacy operations, community operations, all these different map packs in here I bought at one point in time. So I just need to go to it and select download. So maybe I'll do that right now. And you can see it's going to start downloading. It's in my downloads folder right now. So I can get that back onto my PlayStation 4 through that method. And I believe there's going to be DLC for you to purchase. If you go on down to this section, you can see my themes here too. But if I go to view all, this will take me to the PlayStation Store now. So if I want to go ahead and buy one of the DLC, I can. And this will load up. So you can see the map packs. I don't know, the assault kit, whatever packs, a lot of this random stuff that comes with the new games. And vehicle shortcut bundle pack, what does this even do? So you can just install your DLC by going to the game and go to your add-ons, and you should be able to find everything. If you are having issues with it, just restore the licenses for your game by going to settings right here, account management, restore licenses. That should fix the issues that you have with your downloaded content through the PlayStation Store, and activate as your primary PS4, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.